Alright guys, so let's get right into this. This is the box that it came in. Let's unbox it. I'm giving a little hard time here, because to be honest, I'm very excited about this phone. Da 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 da. Da da da. Okay, we don't need this. This paper. No. So funny. Here it is. You get the special Samsung buds. Put those to the side. And here is the beauty. Now this one is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus ceramic white special edition, and this is the 512 gigabyte T-Mobile version, as you can see, with everything comes with it. So we'll place that right there. What else do we get in here? Whoopsie, what else do we get in here? And this is just the Samsung buds. Thank you for purchasing a new Galaxy. Your buds are enclosed. Alright. Cool. We don't need that. This is what it's all about. Alright guys, so here we have them. The S10 Plus and the Samsung buds. Alright, let's unbox these first. What do we get here? Come on. Okay, I didn't know unboxing was going to be this hard. Alright. Wow. This looks pretty cool. Special packaging. I like the packaging. What do we got in here? Okay, so this is the charger and the little things that go in the ear. Alright. And these are the earbuds. It's pretty cool case. Chargers. Ta-da! Wow. Pretty cool. I like it. Okay. Let's put that back. And here comes the beauty. Okay. Ta-da! Wow. Oh, I got a little booklet here. Now this is beautiful, guys. Look at it. The edges. Ceramic white edition. Now this one, I read online that this comes factory screen protector for the Galaxy S10, so it is up to you if you want to keep this one on or remove it and install a different one. I will leave it on because it's perfectly set up with the Samsung factory. Let's remove the back. And just look at this beauty. I love it a lot. Okay, we'll put this to the side. These are just the Sims. What else comes with it? Okay, this is the wall plug to charge it. This has quick charge. It's pretty cool. This is to connect your USB to your phone if you want to transfer things. And then what do we have here? Okay, so this is the charger that comes with it. Okay, what the hell? I don't want to damage it. But yeah, this is the USB that comes with it. These are the AKG headset as well. These are pretty cool. I like them. Okay. But let's turn this bad boy up. There we go. It's a beauty.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Okay. Well, there you go, guys. This is the special edition Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus ceramic white 512GB with 8GB RAM. It has the latest Snapdragon 855 processor. Excellent camera. Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. Smash that thumbs up. Like button, comment below what you guys think of it. And I will see you guys on the next one.